Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna do a quick review of the new MG HS during the night. So if you want to see more details, you can watch my full review during the day. But now I'm gonna do a walk around and show you how does the new generation MG HS look during the night. Look at the lights at the rear, the LED taillights that are connected, and then we have this X shape here. I think it looks so nice, distinctive look on the road. And yeah, definitely I'm a huge fan of this design. Tell me in the comments what are your thoughts. And yeah, the car locks itself when you go away, and then of course unlocks when you approach it. We can also unlock it manually like this, and you see the indicators. And let me show you how it looks from the front, where we have the beautiful LED headlamps. And yeah, let me show you from this angle. So lock it. There we go. And then if I unlock the car, you see really looks so good, distinctive look on the road with the slim headlights. And now I think we are ready to check out how it looks when I turn on the car, and then I will also turn on the indicators as well as the fog lights. But now this is the interior, and also I will show you how the screen looks and the options of the digital cockpit. Press this to turn it on, of course, and look at this, the lovely view in front of us. Digital cockpit, 12.3 inch one, main touchscreen 12.3 inch one as well. Let me show you the views for the cluster. So if you go to vehicle cluster, there are three instrument themes: speed, which is here, then map, my personal favorite, and the intelligent drive, which has different animations here when you are driving, so the lanes and the other cars, of course, when you have them around you. And yeah, those are the digital cockpit views. And if we go here, the AC controls, and there are some physical buttons here, including the button for the hazard lights. And let me just show you the background theme. So this is the dark one, and then you can also have the light one. So this is how it looks, but of course I'm gonna change it back to the dark one, as it's practically 4 AM, so definitely we need this one. And then back to the home menu. This is the dashboard and the layout here in the cabin. The gear selector for the DCT automatic transmission, wireless charging pad, and here you have the storage compartment as well as the glove compartment. It's actually really big. Lights here. And then also now I want to show you the fog lights. So look at this, it's very easy to turn them on. Press this and then press this as well. And now we have the lights, the fog lights, the indicators all turned on. So we are ready to see how it looks from outside. There we go, look at this. The fog lights down there. And then you see here the indicators and the main units. This is how it looks. And now we move on to the rear. Here you will see, of course, the indicators, the connected taillights, as well as the fog light over there. I can also open the tailgate. There we go, 507 liters of space, 44 more than the predecessor. Press this to close it. You can also close it with a key. So you have the button here for the tailgate. And let me also show you the rear bench. Plenty of room in here. And you see also the lights in the upper section. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. And I don't know if somebody is cleaning something, but there's some noise now coming from over there. So I'm gonna finish the review now. Tell me in the comments, how do you like the car? And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked this night overview of the car. Tell me in the comments how do you like it, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.